If I could go back and talk to myself 20 years ago, 15 years ago, it would be very, very simple. And that would be hire the best possible people that you can as soon as you can. And, just level up your talent. That would be my biggest advice. I would say our culture is driven by a very entrepreneurial spirit. We have a phenomenal team. So we hire people that are best in class at what they do. And for me, it's more about just getting out of the way and letting those people do what they do best. And the other thing is that is extremely important is I don't feel like we have any egos in our entire company. One position isn't more important than the other. We're all showing up every single day with the same goal, and that's to deliver phenomenal quality products to our customers so that they can sleep great every night. I'm the luckiest guy in the world. I absolutely love what I do, and I love showing up and doing it with the people that I have in this facility and the company that we have.